Find the domain and range of the composite function f composed with g of x, where f is 1 over x and g is x plus 1. Remembering that f composed with g means apply g first and then f. So first of all, let's think about what we can input into g. The g of x is x plus 1. That means we can input any real number into x plus 1. And out of that, we can get any real number. So just g of x, it's real number to real number. Now we have to take this range of g of x, and that's going to become the domain of f of x. Now f of x is 1 over x. But the domain of f of x is not all real numbers. The domain of f of x is all real numbers where x is not equal to 1. So it's all real numbers except, sorry, not 1, except 0. All real numbers except 0. But that means that has an impact here, because we can't get 0 here. So we need to think what value of the domain of g would give 0 as the output. So what would make this equal to 0? Well, that would be if x was equal to negative 1. So that means here we need to have x is not equal to negative 1. Because if x was negative 1, we would get 0 here. And if we get 0 here, we can't put that into f because we can't do 1 divided by 0. So here we've got like a backwards application. The second function is actually impacting the domain of the original thing. Now let's think, what can we get out of f? Even though we can put any real number except 0 into it, out of f we can get any real number except for 0. So putting that together, what is our domain? Our domain for f composed with g is equal to all real numbers where x is not equal to negative 1. And our range is equal to all real numbers where y is not equal to 0. Now notice in this example, we had the fact that the domain of f affected the domain of g, working backwards. This was unlike the one we saw before, where it was sort of working forwards. This one, we have to think backwards.